MACT Garage, and we got this 2017 Ford Explorer Sport, 17,561 miles on it, something like that. Anyway, I did go ahead and get this vehicle, and it does need a little TLC because I crawled under. The first thing I found was this. Yeah, come along and let's see what we got. Because, yeah, they ain't nothing but the best for this thing from the used car lot. There we go. CarQuest. I'm sure that's the most expensive filter they sell. Anyway, we're going to replace it with a Purelator Boss because, you know, that's what I roll with. But we're going to go ahead and change the oil. And I got the AMSOIL 5W30 signature. So we're going to go ahead and put that in there. But first thing, we got to go ahead and undo that. And then collect a sample of the oil, see what the condition of the engine is. Even though it's a short run, only about 1,000 or 1,500 miles on the oil, I still want to see what is going on. Well, as with all things, I was able to unscrew it by hand, but I had to grunt a lot. It was almost too tight. And then the oil plug, yeah, standard impact wrench install there. But, yeah, I was able to get it done by hand, so I give him credit on that one, although it was very close. So, anyway, yeah, this oil, whoo, that oil, that's not even very long, so I'm not going to say it's even a good quality oil. So, we're going to go ahead and get this filter off and put that Purelator on there. Now, 20,000 mile oil filter, and I'm going to run it 3,000 to 4,000 miles and change the oil. So I put the mileage on here so that I know once I get to 10 to 15,000 on this filter, I'll go ahead and change the filter. But at $12 to $14 per filter, why not make sure we use it? Because it does say 20,000, and I have used filters to that number of miles for this Boss and proven that they do work. So we're going to continue on with what I know. Just in case you didn't know, McDonald's McCafe cup. Put it over top of the oil filter, squeeze it, and turn it. Then it catches all the oil on the bottom. Simple, sweet hacks. Gotta love them. And there we are. Purelator Boss is on there. Ready to go. Ready to go for the next run. So anyway, let's go ahead and add some oil. All right, go ahead and get some of this AMSOIL signature in there. Nice and easy. We'll get it in there, then we'll check the level. All right, nice and clear and yummy. There's one. I'll go ahead and get the other 5 in there and we'll go from there. Well, got me 6 quarts of the AMSOIL signature with the Purelator Boss, so gonna let it set and sort of gravity feed down in there, and then I'm gonna start it and run it, and hopefully everything gets situated perfectly. Then all that's left is the cleanup. I sure miss that Fumoto valve though. Holy cow, I spilled oil everywhere undoing that bolt. Anyway, that's what it is. But let's go ahead and get this thing started up and get it running, and we'll be done. Well, folks, that'd be it. I know you've all probably seen oil changes before, but this is just the start of a maintenance regime on a used 2017 Ford Explorer Sport that, hey, MACT, yours truly has got. And we're going to go ahead and get all the maintenance done on it so you can see what you need to do and what we find when we're going over and doing maintenance on a used 3.5 Ecoboost Ford Explorer. So follow me as we get more done. But remember, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day. Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners. Band of One's always got some great music. And make sure to like, subscribe, and join MACT Garage. because that's where this is going to be happening. And I have some surprise vehicles coming up.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.